To buy stocks on the Fidelity mobile app, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store on your device. Once installed, open the app and log in to your Fidelity account using your username and password. If you do not have a Fidelity account, you can create one directly from the app. After logging in, navigate to the Trade tab, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. From here, select the type of account you want to trade from, such as a brokerage or retirement account. Next, enter the stock symbol or name of the company you want to buy in the search bar. For example, if you want to buy Apple stocks, you can type AAPL. Select the correct stock from the search results and click on it to view its details. On the stock details page, you will see the current price, daily change, and other relevant information. To place a buy order, click on the Trade button and select Buy. Choose the number of shares you want to buy and select your order type, such as market or limit order. A market order will execute your trade at the current market price, while a limit order will execute your trade at a specific price you set. Review your order carefully and confirm the details before submitting it. Once you have submitted your order, it will be executed and you will receive a confirmation. You can view your trade history and account balances from the app to track your investments. It is essential to do your research and set a budget before buying stocks. Consider setting up a watch list to monitor the stocks you are interested in and set price alerts to notify you of any significant changes. Additionally, consider consulting with a financial advisor or conducting your own research before making investment decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily buy stocks on the Fidelity mobile app and start building your investment portfolio.